wig is giving so many vibes right now. Like, I'm getting rich auntie, supermodel, just overall baddie vibes. And this is a synthetic wig. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and your girl's new look, we are going to be diving into this wig from Outre. This is their melted hairline lace front wig. You guys, this is synthetic, but it is giving off a very luxurious vibe. But before we jump into it, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. Now that that step is complete, let's just jump on into the fun stuff. So this is Outre's melted hairline lace front wig. It is in the style Natalia, color 2. They have many other colors, and I just want to mention this wig was under $40. Now this is soft Swiss lace, and it provides 5 inches of deep parting space. As you can see, the hair is very bouncy. It comes with this gorgeous beachy flirty curl straight out of the box. And the baby hairs, you guys, it is provided for you. It also comes pre-plucked, and it has this frontal effect hairline. So the details when it comes to this is really nice. As you can see, it has 3 combs along with a pre-attached wide elastic band. Now I did go ahead and tint my lace with a lace tint spray in the shade medium brown. Personally, I think it gave a very melted effect once I applied it to my head. Now this wig does provide a comfort fit air contour. As far as the cap goes, this was incredibly comfortable on my head. It felt snug but not tight. And can we just give a moment for the details of this wig? The lace, the hairline, it was perfectly plucked. The curls were bouncy and perfect straight out of the box. Okay, Outre, I see what you're doing here. Okay, so this is the most stressful part for me when it comes to wigs, and it is cutting the lace. So I'm just gonna make sure kind of lined up where I would like it to be. As you can see, the baby hairs are peeking through. Love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. Hopefully I can do most of it on camera, but I might do it off because y'all know how I am. I be getting stressed out when it comes to this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back. Gonna cut right here. I really need to cut off my sideburns because it's really just throwing off the look. Sorry about that, y'all. I will cut them off. Honestly, don't feel like doing it today, but I will have them cut hopefully by the next wig video. Okay, so I think the top of my head looks a little puffy, but I will say I have some messy cornrows underneath this wig cap, so that may have something to do with it. But yeah, all I'm gonna do is go over the edges a little bit with the Got2b glue spray, blow dry it so it dries, and hot comb this bad boy. Maybe add a little bit of concealer so you don't see that like separation from my wig cap. Alright, so I'm going to slick my hair back with the She Is Bomb hair wax stick, and then I'm going to go in with my Got2b spray just a little bit, mostly by the ear tab area. As you can see, I just spritzed 1 layer because I wasn't going out, so definitely use as many layers as you feel comfortable with, or any products that you use to lay down your lace front wigs. Once that is dry, I'm going to take my hot comb and focus by the parting area just to make sure this wig looks incredibly flat. And yes, this wig is heat safe. You can use up to 400 degrees. This synthetic wig was checking off so many boxes for me in comparison to my experiences with human hair lace front wigs. The construction of the cap and customization of the hairline was very impressive to me. The quality of the hair feels really soft and silky. It did not have any tangling. It had a little bit of shedding, but keep in mind I was styling it and I was combing through the hair a bit. Then I'm taking concealer to blend the part because there is a little bit of a contrast when it comes to the wig cap that I have on. I didn't style the baby hairs for this video, but as you know, the option is there. And that is it, you guys, as far as styling goes. It was very minimal to no effort whatsoever. I was really just being extra when it came to the hot comb. That step is completely optional, but as you can see, these curls are bouncy and just so beautiful. I was obsessed with this unit. Alrighty, my loves, now time for my final thoughts. Being that it is synthetic, I think it is such a great bang for your buck. It has a beautiful shine to it. I love the body of this wig. It also has layers, which I thought was really nice. And as you guys can tell, I really like the styling of this wig. It's giving holiday. It's giving so much, honestly. It's so quick, which I love. You take it out of the box and you literally don't have to do much at all for it to look really nice. Again, I haven't experienced much tangling or shedding. It feels so comfortable on my head. And I like the color. This is a 2. In my opinion, it looks like a 1B. So I would go for something lighter. Like, they have a few ombre styles. I think a light color would just really add to this glamorous like style. But that is it for now. I'm really impressed by it. I think you guys should check it out for yourself, especially if you are a beginner or a baddie on a budget. Alright, you guys, that is it. That is all. Stay blessed, and I will see you very shortly in my next video.